Do you ever feel like life is a constant struggle? Like you're stuck in a loop, yearning for more, but not knowing where to start? What if I told you there's a way to break free and design the life you've always dreamed of? Today, I'm going to share 5 powerful steps that will solve the most common challenges we face on the path to success. Let's start by using gratitude to transform stress into peace. Gratitude helps you let go of stress and anxiety by shifting your focus from what's wrong to what's right. It's like cleaning a foggy window. Suddenly, you see life more clearly. Imagine coming home after a tough day, but instead of dwelling on problems, you take a moment to appreciate your family, the food on your table, or even the quiet beauty of the sunset. Gratitude turns ordinary moments into extraordinary ones. Next, have clear goals to end confusion and overwhelm. Feeling stuck often comes from not knowing what to do next. Setting clear, actionable goals gives you direction, like a map guiding you through the maze of life. For instance, instead of saying, "I want to save money," you could aim for, "I'll save $200 every month for 6 months." When you know exactly what to aim for, life feels less chaotic and more achievable. Be sure to check out my other videos on how to effectively develop and achieve your goals. I dive deep into proven strategies and tips that can help you turn your dreams into reality. I've also included a link in the description for easy access. Don't miss out. Watch now and start making your goals happen. Let's move on to the next step. Develop courage to overcome fear and self-doubt. Fear and doubt are the biggest barriers to success. Courage doesn't mean the absence of fear. It means acting despite it. When you step into fear, you discover your strength. Think about asking for a raise or starting that side hustle you've always been dreaming of. Yes, it's scary, but the rewards on the other side are worth it. Courage helps you stop holding back and start moving forward. Another one is to develop a growth mindset. Break free from failure. Failure can feel like a dead end, but a growth mindset turns it into a stepping stone. It helps you stop fearing mistakes and start learning from them. Picture a child learning to ride a bike. They fall, they get up, and then they try again until they are soaring. That's the power of a growth mindset. It shifts your perspective from "I can't do this" to "I can't do this yet." Finally, surround yourself with positive influences. If you've ever felt drained by the people around you, you know how powerful your environment can be. Surrounding yourself with positive influences solves the problem of negativity dragging you down. Whether it's joining a group of like-minded achievers or following mentors online, the right people will encourage you, push you, and inspire you to keep going when things get tough. These 5 steps, gratitude, clear goals, courage, a growth mindset, and positive influences, are your blueprint to a life of purpose and abundance. They'll help you overcome stress, confusion, fear, failure, and negativity, paving the way for the life you've always wanted. If this message resonated with you, give it a like, share it with someone you care about, and don't forget to subscribe for more life-changing insights. Together, we'll unleash your potential.